Hello, my name's Colin, I'm from HDCCTV. This video is about our HD-SDI high definition DVRs. There are two models in the range, a 4-channel and an 8-channel. Both record in real-time 25 frames a second at 1080p high definition using HD-SDI cameras. So it's really a plug-and-play solution. Let's take a look at the 4-channel unit. This is the 4-channel unit, the IQR1920D4, which is a 1920 by 1080 high definition recorder. It's very simple to use, plug and play. You simply connect your video feeds to these plugs here, you can monitor to this one or this one, and start using it. It records in full 1080p at 25 frames a second real time. Comes supplied with remote control and a mouse, and you can also control it via the front panel touchscreen, or you can control it via an internet connection or the network. It works remotely with iPhone, iPad, any Android device, tablet or phone, Apple Mac or a PC computer. It accepts one internal hard drive, and you've also got sockets on the back for backup to eSATA or USB here. Okay, let's take a quick look through the menus and some of the pictures recorded with this system. Okay, so this is the DVR. As you can see, we've got 4 cameras on here. We've got camera 1 in looking at our backyard, camera 2 in the loading bay and media area, camera 3, that's me, and that's our showroom, and camera 4 just out the front here. So I'll just go to a single screen. There we go. Now if you right click with the mouse, you bring down a menu along the bottom here. We'll come to the other bits in a moment, but I just want to show you the digital zoom on this. So you click on the zoom button and you can then draw a box anywhere you like, and that'll zoom in. Once you've got that, you've got the full screen in the corner here, and you can drag around to see any part of the picture in detail. There you go. Okay, other things on this menu, we've got a 4-way view button here. If you've got an 8-way, you'll have an 8-way view button here as well. Pan, tilt, zoom controls here. Playback, I'll come to that now. Let's have a look at that. So this brings up the main menu, Playback Screen. So you click search, and this brings up your blocks of recordings. So we've got 4 days of recordings here, and here's the hours of the day. So if we went back to, say, I don't know, 8:30 this morning, and hit play, we'll get all 4 channels playing back from 8:30. Not much going on there. It is early. It's only 8:30. So you'll notice also a timeline here. We can go back to midnight today, this morning, and forward. So you can just click back and forward through time and see. There we go. Okay. Also here we have sequence switching. So if you've got it set up to switch between cameras 1, 2, 3, 4 in full screen, it'll do that. We've got picture in picture that brings up. You choose what cameras you want. We've got picture in picture 2, which gives you 3 screens. So if you've got one camera, you bring that view. You've got 2 cameras, you have that view. 3 cameras, the other view, that one, and 4 cameras, that one. Okay, and then there's the audio control. Right, let's go into the main menu. Okay, so we've got the live screen here, set up for the each channel. That's the video output setting, 1080p. There's the monitor settings. That's for masking areas off. Record settings, we've got the resolution here and the frame rate here. Schedule, what it's recording, whether normal, motion detection, alarm, or no record. And then whether it's recording or not. This is the playback screen we saw earlier. Network screen here gives you the network port settings, substream settings, the email alert settings. It will send you an email if you get motion detection trigger, and DDNS if you haven't got a static IP address. There's your details there. System settings, we've got hard drive details, pan, tilt, zoom protocols, etc. Date and time, video formats, users, passwords, and some info about the unit. And then in advanced we've got the motion detection set up, so we can set up the area we're looking at. It'll ignore that corner now if you want to make it look clear. You've got what it'll do when it picks up motion, different things there. Alarm settings for the alarm outs on the back, general maintenance for the system, and what it'll do if the hard disk is full and that sort of thing. Okay, so that's it. That's the 4-way SDI DVR, available for sale now on our website, HDCCTV.co.uk. Thanks for watching.